Hi guys, this is Isaac from Mix Advice, and in this series I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know to get your kick drums sounding as good as they possibly can do with your home recordings. If you want them to sound like this, or like this, then keep on watching and let's dive straight in. Guys, this is Isaac from Mix Advice. We've completed our tutorials on kick drum processing, but I thought I'd throw in a bonus session for you just to give you a few more tips to give you more flexibility with what you can do with your kick drum. Okay, so let's just take a listen to what we've got at the moment. Okay, I'm working on a metal track and we've got that nice deep low end kick which really suits this kind of music. But what if I wanted it a bit more punchy? So I'm just going to bring in this other channel now. Just take a listen to how different it sounds. Much more punchy, much more up in your face. Now the interesting thing is these two channels are exactly the same. They're just duplicates of one another. The only difference is they've been EQ'd differently. So if we take a look at the kick punch channel, this is how I've EQ'd it. So we've got a high pass up to about 71 Hertz. So I'm getting rid of all the low end and then I'm boosting around 100 Hertz. Getting rid of all that low end and adding that upper low end around 100 Hertz gives it that punchy sound. So just take a listen to that again. Really in your face. Okay, we'll go back to the other channel. Much fatter, much deeper. Okay, let's take a look at the EQ on the original channel. Okay, there's no high pass whatsoever and there's a nice low boost around 62 Hertz, which I think works really well for this style of music. But what we can do is double up our kick drum channels and blend them to taste. So if you're wanting something a bit more upfront, a bit more punchy, maybe you bring this channel up a bit louder and vice versa. So let's have a listen to them both with the drums and see what different sounds we can get. Okay, this is just the low end one. And let's start to introduce that kick punch channel, which we've EQ'd differently. It starts to get a bit more up front. Let's take the kick channel with the low end completely out. Really up front, really in your face. Again, these are exactly the same channels, they've just been EQ'd differently. You don't have to worry about phase, all you're doing is just blending those two different sounds to taste. So I'm going to do that now and see what results we can get. That's too up front for this style of music. I want that nice low end in there. Let's take the punchier channel out. It's missing something there. Bring it back in. Yeah, it's just a bit more up front now. So that's bonus tip number 1. Okay guys, thanks a lot. Meet me in the next episode for bonus tip number 2.